Right now I'm going to show you another home care product, and this is, I think, for ladies, they can relate it to it very much. The product, this is one of my favorite products, although I'm a guy. Point is, this product is called Zoom, and it is basically a degreaser. You can apply it. You can apply it for exhaust fans. You can apply it on the stoves, on the surface of the stove surface, stove tops, and then behind the stoves where you have tiles. You can apply it on all of them. Now, this is what you can see. This is the actual product. It's, as you can see, it's a Zoom concentrate. Now you can make multiple bottles out of this. Also, at the same time, how can you make multiple bottles out of any of these LOC? And I'll show you another product called Dish Drops. How can you dilute these products? Now, this is a dilution bottle from Amway. You get an empty bottle when you buy. You can get an empty bottle, and you can see this light color portion. This white color, light color portion is all water. When you see this solid 1:4, 1:5, these numbers, if you can observe, this is the dilution percentage, meaning this light color portion is all water and only this solid portion is what is a liquid, whether it is an LOC or if it is a Zoom or even a Dish Drops or anything like that. Now, so what we do for a regular usage, 1:5 dilution is enough, right? This could be for if you are using it regularly, or else if you have some tough stains because of function at home, because of anything else that is happening as a gathering, too much cooking happening in and around the stove, and so you could probably increase the concentration and make it to 1:3 or 1:4. Now you can spray Zoom on the fridge or any such kind of surface where it is smooth. You can use it on exhaust fans, you can use it on any of such. Now we use Zoom especially to clean all the surface, including the washing machine surface, the surface of the fridge, the surface of any other. In fact, you can use Zoom to clean even the steel surfaces of your bikes, rims, and these kind of things, where it can take out the grease. That is an advantage. So I'll show you a quick demonstration. It is a very, very quick demonstration. You can see this cap is very dirty and a lot of grease in it. See, if I rub it with hand, it doesn't go, obviously, right? All I do is for a demonstration purpose, I will just spray it on half the cap. So half the cap I have sprayed Zoom, half of it I have not sprayed Zoom, right? And I'll just leave it for a couple of minutes, and all I do after that is, you can again see it is disintegrating the grease. So all I do is, right now I take a cloth and all I do is just wipe it. It's as simple as that. I just wipe it. I'm not even applying a lot of pressure, just wiping it. So if you can notice the difference, this half of it is not applied by is not cleaned with Zoom. This half of it is cleaned with Zoom. Anybody can touch and feel the surface as well, right? This is much smoother, and this is supposed to be the texture of this is supposed to the way the cap is, right? This is the easier demonstration that we can do for Zoom. And when you can always tell, Zoom is one of the easier products even to sell, because this costs at an MRP, it costs you only 209 rupees. However, imagine how many such dilution bottles you can make. You can make at least 6 to 7 of them, and this dilution bottle again is 500 ml. So meaning you would probably have this 200 rupee bottle last you for 6 to 7 months if you use on a regular basis. So such is how the dilution of Amway products is. Right? And one of the examples we always use for demonstrating these Amway products in terms of the concentration and all of that is I always use an example of a Rasna and a Fruity. Rasna, as you know, when you buy, it will cost you 50 to 60 rupees for the pack, whereas for Fruity, when you buy, it will cost you 10 to 12 rupees. Now, why do we pay 50 to 60 rupees for Rasna, and why do we pay 10 to 12 rupees for Fruity? Right? Now the difference is with the Rasna, even though we pay that much money, you can actually make 25 to 30 glasses out of it. And that is the reason you buy Rasna when you have relatives visiting your home, and you don't buy Fruity when that is the case, right? So that is the biggest advantage. So always tell this difference right? People understand anything with these examples, right? Because most of the Amway products, and once I tell this Rasna and Fruity example, I also tell them that most of the Amway products, especially in home care and personal categories, are like Rasna. They are not like Fruity. And what you call Rasna is a wholesale pack. What you call Fruity is a retail pack. In fact, majority of Amway products, including a health product or anything, are wholesale packs in India for Amway, right? So you pay at a wholesale price, not at a retail price. That is one of the products. Now the other product is this dish drops. Again, this is something that is very useful at home